Hello students, this is Sarah Arthanagara, your instructor, and I would like to share with you this short video to help you navigate to forms that are often needed for students. First, you need to go to collegeofsanmateo.edu, and if you put in the rest of this URL, it'll take you directly here to our admissions and records page. If you are on the College of San Mateo's primary website, really on any of the pages, you will see the search box in the upper right-hand corner. So say if you're on our Pilates page or you're in a catalog or something, you can always go up here to the search box and click it to get to the search bar. And if you typed in admissions and records, it would also help you find this particular page, and then you can just click on it and it's going to take you right back to where we just were. To get to the forms page, just go down this toolbar on the left hand side to A&R forms. Once you get to this page, there are various forms linked underneath each of these sections. So I'm going to open the admissions and records link and show you some very important details. All right, so first there's instructions letting you know that the following forms are available in your SMCCD student portal. So you'll need to log in to WebSmart to then be able to access these forms listed below. So in order to access these forms, you need to click on your My Forms tab and then click on the registration form that you need, whether it's an add drop for a course, an audit course request, change section or level after official deadline, an excused withdrawal, a late add course request, or overlapping courses request. All right, so again, these I cannot get for you. You will have to log into your personal portal to access them. Now, as we scroll farther down, sometimes there are other forms that students need in my courses. Commonly. One of them is the credit by examination. So if you are going to challenge a course, and I have let you know it is possible to do so, sometimes I will let students sit for a course if they've already completed the requirements for that course. Say you already have a Pilates mat instructor training certificate through Balanced Body, then you could apply for credit by examination and get the credit for having taken our KINE 125 course by filling this out and doing a credit by examination. Let's see if there's anything else here. Sometimes students will need this extenuating circumstances course. This can be used for a number of different things. But primarily if you've missed a deadline due to an extenuating circumstance. Say we're towards the end of the semester and you need to drop a course, but it's past the drop deadline, but you've had a death in the family, or you've had a job opportunity or something like that. Maybe you've been injured and you're not able to continue through the rest of the course. You could drop the course by submitting an extenuating circumstances form. This is where you would grab that one. All right. There are a number of other forms here as well. You can read through on your own if you need any of them. Under the counseling tab, here's a prerequisite challenge petition and a prerequisite equivalency petition. So if there is a prerequisite for any of the courses that you're registering for me, but you believe that you already have college credit for that course, for instance, if you took a Pilates mat fitness class at another college or university that's not within our tri-college system, then you can fill out a petition, an equivalency petition, to send in your transcripts and see if they will count that course towards your certificate. All right, if you believe that you have the knowledge, but you have not completed an actual course at another college, then you may be able to, at times, fill out a prerequisite challenge petition and see if that is approved. I do recommend that you chat with me about this first, though, so you don't waste your time filling that out if what you're thinking might be equivalent is not. All right, then there are financial aid forms here, and for veterans, there are some specific forms available for you all as well. So if you have any further questions, let me know. But again, if you need any forms for the college, you're either going to be going to the student forms page, or you will be needing to log into WebSmart to find academic forms to help you along your journey. All right, I hope that this video was very helpful for you as well as for me, so I don't get so many repeat questions. All right, but do reach out if you have further questions to either our counseling division, admissions and records, or last resort, myself, because I am not an admissions and records or counseling specialist. All right, but I am a specialist for our Pilates instructor certificate program. So any questions regarding that, please do reach out to me. All right, thank you so much for your time.